Hello and welcome to my Patreon page. I'm Marty. I'm a North Carolina-based artist creating bright, colorful artwork and teaching online classes and tutorials to help you grow your skills and boost your creative confidence. Here on Patreon, I invite you into my private community where I take you behind the scenes to see the stuff I don't share on social media and YouTube. I'm sharing my personal art journaling sessions with you so you can see my creative process up close and watch me complete paintings from start to finish. My private Patreon community is for anyone who wants to help fuel my artwork while enjoying exclusive perks like updates on what's happening in my studio, sneak peeks of work in progress, discount codes, early access to online classes, downloads, tutorials, and creative process videos that aren't available anywhere else. Whether you already have a creative practice or you're just getting started, there's a place for you in my Patreon community. So grab your brushes and let's get to it. See you inside.